Hi everybody, a very good afternoon because it's 12:15 by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani, the founder and CEO of a setup in Delhi called I'm Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing great. And I'm hoping you've had a great weekend and a fantastic start to the day and an end to the previous one. And big cheers on a nice cup of coffee. It's not Indian coffee, it's a nice coffee, and it's really helping me stay warm because in this weather, some of us, cough and cold, pollution, a little bit of aches and pains here and there and stuff, Of course, we're in sports and stuff, and we've been in fitness, so we know that we got to kind of keep ourselves warm to keep our cramps and aches and pains in check and stuff. We're not robos. So it's okay, you're going to get better for sure if you take the precautions and all that. So why green? Green because pollution is a concern, environment is a concern, climate is a concern, and you switch on the TV, you look at social media, climate has become a concern everywhere. People are talking about it, and in Delhi, where I'm presently staying, Delhi NCR, 50% of the work strength is working out of offices. Rest of them, like me, are working from home and our private spaces and stuff and all. So my office is very close by. I just have to drive like maybe 10 minutes or something, or maybe 7 minutes or whatever. So that's not an issue. Green because I would like people to not just complain and raise issues in the interest of the political stories being shared and debates and everything happening on TV for the forthcoming elections and all that. Avoid being a victim of your own mindsets, of your own thought processes. You stay in a country, you stay in a city, you're not able to look at the positive, you're complaining, you're pointing out what's wrong and stuff. And I normally turn around and ask, this question: if I were to put you in that spot, you think you're going to handle the whole country or the city's planning and stuff? I'm sure many of us will not be able to do that. So the point is avoid complaining and avoid being a victim of the doing of other people, because the choices of leadership and everything is also something which people have to take accountability of. So, what is my share all about? My share is not about leadership. My share is not about politics. My share is not about anything of that sort. My share is on a pretty lighter note and stuff, that when you're kind of when you have so many people at home or at office or in the city and everywhere talking about so many topics and everything around climate concern, politics, around sanitation, around waste management, around eco-friendly stuff and all, and around whatever. Then you have health as a concern. You've got children, you've got pets, you've got strays and everything. And you have to go to office in the middle of all of this. You have to be creative, and you have to be a geek, and you have to give all these ideas. So how do these ideas come? These ideas are not going to come by sitting and just simply debating and discussing and stuff. Yes, I mean, if you're doing if you're going to go with the agenda of having a discussion, with the idea of working on a strategy, or the purpose of this discussion is to find way forward solutions and stuff, then it works. But on the whole, with no agenda and stuff, normally meetings don't take shape of a creative outcome and stuff. तो क्या करना चाहिए ऐसे केस में? म्यूजिक एक लेवल तक आपको हेल्प कर सकता है, पिक्चर्स एक लेवल तक आपको हेल्प कर सकती है, राइटिंग एक लेवल तक आपको हेल्प कर सकता है, वॉकिंग आपको एक लेवल तक आपको हेल्प कर सकता है. व्हाट इज इट दैट कैन वर्क? सो आई एम सेइंग इन इंग्लिश, लेट मी टेल यू दैट writing, walking, music, movies can help you to a certain point, but that natural creativity which has to come from you, not even inspired creativity, but natural creativity, how does it happen? So most of the people don't know this, but have you ever seen women working at home? सो वी टर्न अराउंड एंड से, क्या घर का काम करते रहते हो पूरा टाइम आप? मैं भी बोलती हूँ ये घर बार अपने एल्डर्स को और लोगों को जो घर पे काम करते हैं, आप क्या कितना काम करते हो आप यार? काम ही करते रहते हो पूरा टाइम. सो द थिंग इज दिस दैट सो आई हैव नोटिस दिस इन मी, that after a certain point of time, when I'm doing household chores, or I do little bit of home works, like if I'm cleaning up my room, or I'm tidying up my room, or I'm sorting out my books, or I'm cleaning up my table, or I'm changing the what do you call table sheets, or I'm changing the cushion covers, or I'm changing let's say these cushion covers, or I'm getting new plants, or I'm let's say probably watering the plants, or I'm sorting out the magazines, or I'm sorting out the clothes, or I'm looking at some stuff, new stuff, like doing up my lamps or whatever. That's when the creative ideas happen the most. So while I'm doing this, which I normally do very consistently, on a weekend you'll find me doing this, in the night you'll find me doing this sometimes, even when I'm very high on my energy and I don't have a project meeting, or I'm not going out somewhere, and with my throat down and stuff, I was doing this. So I'll open up an Elmira and I'll sort out my books. I've taken out my crates and I've put my charity stuff and all that. I've taken out my glasses, I've taken out my sunshades, I've taken out all the pens, I've taken out all the rotten stuff, you would call it, the pens, pencils, jo chal rahe, nahi chal rahe, rubbers, sharpeners, sort it out. So once I've done all of that, one by one, when I was doing all of this, so it's not like I will do one room and I will start off in the other room. So I focus. So let's say if I've done where I'm sitting right now, my workspace, okay. So I've taken this thing about doing this up. So I clean up the rack and I put my books in place and stuff. So when I do this, I'm going to look at all these books and stuff. I end up reading up a certain chapters of books I've not even seen. Some of them are from my college, some of them are from my childhood, some of them are from my present time, some of them are from my libraries, some of them are magazines which I have bought, some of them are like inspirational books, some of them are lots and lots of books actually. So most of them I've done away with and stuff and all. And when I look at them, they kind of inspire me, or they kind of motivate me to read even more and improve or enhance my knowledge. So my skill set is improving. So I started reading a magazine and stuff which I shared 4 5 days back, and the kind of ideas I had were like something which I'd forgotten about. So I went for a walk yesterday, and I was looking at some waste paper, some waste leaves and stuff. And you know what came to my mind? I think a few months back and 3 4 days back, I read this magazine, and there was an idea that the leaves can be recycled into furniture. So I know that in my startup forums or in my design forums and stuff, a lot of people have spoken about this. But till the time I'm not active there, those ideas will not stay in my mind. So that's why they say environment is so important. You have to be very active in places where you really want to work and you want to contribute and stuff. So if you're not there, then what do you do? So when you're revisiting these ideas and stuff through magazines or through learning and stuff, I didn't go online, right? So the ideas happened to me. So somebody can now counter question me and say, but I can do this even on Pinterest, and I can do this even on social media. But the point is that I'm linking cleanliness to new learning. So now, as I do that, I'm not just looking at those ideas of recycling and stuff. I'm also looking at strategy. I'm also looking at photography. I'm also looking at content. I'm also looking at branding. I'm also looking at marketing. I'm also looking at, I'm also looking at some new ideas and stuff. I'm also looking at new stories and all that. So if I were to get into a social media mode, or if I were to get into if I were to get into a Pinterest mode, rather than finishing off that one book or two books in half an hour, 1 hour, I would end up spending at least 2 hours here or 3 hours here, because social media gives you that amazing plethora of looking at things in a larger perspective or a broader perspective, that sometimes it can work as a distraction for you. Idea number two was, when you start cleaning up, uh, let's say you're doing let's say you're doing your wardrobe. So when you do your wardrobe, you're giving away your clothes and stuff. When you're doing your wardrobe cleaning and stuff, and you're sorting out your clothes, you start working on a concept of space management. यहाँ रैक नहीं है, यहाँ पे अलमारी में मैग्नेट नहीं है, यहाँ पे ड्रॉर हिल रहा है, और यहाँ पे नॉब नहीं है, यहाँ पे मिरर नहीं है, यहाँ पे लाइट नहीं है. So in one of my thought shares, I'd also shared this, that when you're actually cleaning up a room, You do not have to look it up as safai karni hai. You don't have to look it at as yeah safai karni hai. The moment you say that, because you've seen people or there's so much of stress on safai, it irritates people, you know. So the point is, the moment you start saying, okay, I want to spend 2 3 hours on cleaning and stuff, but at the end of it, what's going to happen? I'm going to come up with some new ideas. I'm going to feel fresh. My ideas are going to be multiplying because I'm going to revisit my wardrobe, and probably I can see new ideas and concepts and stuff. Maybe not now, maybe a few years later or a few months later, or maybe immediately also I can implement a few of those, you know, like I can have a new lighting socket, or I can have maybe a new set of door handles, or I can have maybe you know, I mean, I can have a modular rack bottom that can be put into or installed into a cupboard that can be used separately somewhere else and stuff, you know. Maybe I can just remove the shoes from my lowest drawer and place them in some other place, and I can use that space for putting in my woolens or something, or probably my jeans or whatever, so there is more space and stuff, you know. So all these ideas don't come to me just when I'm walking or I'm talking to people alone. It's practical, you know. So the best ideas don't always happen through walking or talking or researching online. They sometimes come through your own doing, your own focus of actually household little chores or tasks like cleanliness or cleaning up or sorting up or tidying it. When you start doing it, maybe your kitchen, you realize probably, you know, you require new lights, maybe you require a new window, maybe you require, you know, a new space for your washing machine. Maybe the washing machine you have is too low, so you have to bend all the time. So maybe you require a stand for a washing machine, or you require a cover for your washing machine, or you require a rack on top of your machine, or you're under your machine and stuff, you know. So cleanliness को भी आप इतना casually नहीं ले सकते, because cleanliness also जब आप करेंगे तो आपको realize होगा कि it's not just your own energy and your own body that gets relaxed and rejuvenated. It's also a lot of ideas that happen to you. So trust me on this one. Do this, and this whole thing about, you know, I'm taken in by emailing and I'm taken in by Zoom and stuff. We've been through this journey. We are still in the same journey. I see so many people, you know, they are consistently on their emails and stuff. What for? You know, 400 emails, 40 emails, whatever. You only know what kind of emails you're responding to and all that. But the point is, try and fix maybe an hour every day to check your emails and stuff, and spend rest of your time either walking in your office, talking to people, or walking out there researching, reading up, or, you know, talking to people about ideas and meeting up people and stuff, and doing your business and doing your creative thought shares and stuff, or finishing off your presentations and stuff. Emailing and social media is only going to help you and is useful only if you're in corporate communication and big time in actually only in the email department and stuff. If you're in other departments, which is a completely different topic, you do not require to be on email and stuff. You'd rather spend, you know, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes on those emails and stuff, respond, and then move on, you know, and maybe explore a coffee shop, maybe read some books, or maybe talk to your bosses. Maybe if you work, you know, if you work in a building, visit the other floors, become some friends with other people, go around exploring the place and stuff, take a look at the branding around, you know, probably hit off a conversation with people around and stuff and all that, you know. You don't need to waste your energy and time on only consistently emailing, because you're also draining your energy into your system and stuff. Okay, so here's cheers to a nice way forward ahead. We are only on a, I think it's a midweek or something. I lost count of it or track of it. Anyway, so thanks for your messages and your emails, and I'll catch you soon. And green for pollution, and green for climate control and stuff. Do your bit, give some good ideas, avoid being a victim to people's story and sadism and all that, and try and give some ideas. And it's a great idea to have a way forward and a plan forward, and in your presentations and your talks, if you can also include on a micro planning level electricity and electric poles and stuff. Oh my god, You know, that's a big concern for me because I take my dog for a walk and I was watching the children yesterday. Anyways, that's a different thing altogether. So, 15 minutes is a pretty long video for you to follow. Maybe the next one will be on this. Micro planning, electric poles, big concern. Yeah. So, love it, can take care, have fun, have blast. घर जाइए और 2 घंटे 3 घंटे ज़रूर सफाई पे स्पेंड कीजिए एंड अपने घर वालों को भी असिस्ट कीजिए और देखिए कि आपके अंदर एक क्या चेंज आता है और आपकी बॉडी कैसे पॉजिटिवली रिस्पॉन्ड करती है और आपको कितने आइडियाज़ आएंगे और आप जाके कितने मतलब फ्रेश फील करेंगे. आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू ऑन दिस, jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com and jashinkapani@gmail.com. That's me. Yeah, love and luck. Bye bye. Cheers and Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.